how to create and set up your Signal account. If you don't know what Signal is basically a messaging platform where you can add your friends and send text messages here. So I'm just going to show you how to set up your new account. First, download your Signal from Play Store or your App Store and then open the app. Here it will ask you to allow some permissions for the app to run, so just you can allow all of these permissions. And here you will have to enter your phone number. After you have entered your phone number, this will ask you to enter your verification code, so I'm just going to enter mine. After you've entered your verification code, this will ask you to enter your name. And your last name is optional, so you can enter it or you can leave it as it is. And you can change this preference. If you don't want anybody to find your account, you can change it to nobody and save this info, and then just tap on next. And here you should create a 4-digit PIN to access your Signal account. Once you have entered your 4-digit PIN, just tap on next and again confirm your PIN. Once you have confirmed your PIN, just tap on next. And after you do that, it will take a while to create your account, but after you do that, you should be logged into your account. So that's how you can easily create a Signal account using your mobile number. And I hope you found the video helpful. If so, please hit the like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.